These are the 3 that are available out of Rue's litter. That's little black collar boy here that came up to say hi. This is Brown, Rowan, and that's little Rain, the girl. When they hear my voice, they come this way, so I'm going to be quiet and just video, and maybe they'll play. So this is black boy, Ray, over here by himself. You're going to move the panel, aren't you? Yep, that's black boy. Black collar boy, Ray. And that is Rowan chewing on the pink pig. And that's Miss Rain at the back. I know. You're a mess, I know. You are rotten. Yes, you are. That's a little big for you, girlfriend. That's a little big for you. Ray, you were just a mess. Yeah, see, I just want to lick fingers. Yes.